be very happy.
Upstairs?
What did you say?
Upstairs.
Upstairs. He said we're supposed to go upstairs.
We were just doing pictures for the.
Oh.
Why is that? I think they'll tell us.
Just to get out of the way.
Upstairs? Oh, wow. Oh, there's stairs.
On ladders. All right.
If I can. And Richard and Cindy must be stashed somewhere.
I know where I think they like to say that. Yeah, I suppose this is all from the
It looks like,
immediate.
you know, maybe the first row is.
We're not just trying for a picture.
Right, this side, but it doesn't really.
Yeah, I would too.
Statue someplace in the end.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise to honor the bride. Thank you. And who gives Cynthia to be wed to Richard today?
Her mother and I.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you may be seated. Those of you that can, I appreciate it. Well, on behalf of Cynthia and Richard, it's certainly my pleasure to welcome you aboard the Cabernet Commodore as we sit at the Oakland Alameda Estuary after the ceremony. We'll be bound for San Francisco for a beautiful reception. And we certainly want to let it be recorded. The ceremony took place on a sparkling Sunday afternoon. It is the 18th day of January in the year of our Lord 2004. And Cynthia and Richard, all of you are here, are glad that all of you are here, but in particular, some of you that have traveled a great distance to be here today. We want to recognize some of those today. Right now, we have guests from several chilly East Coast states, including Connecticut, Massachusetts, Maryland, New Hampshire, and Ohio, and I'm sure you're enjoying this weather today. We also welcome Mitsko Osito, who arrived last night from Dublin, Ireland, and Mary, Barry, and Alex Burge, who have come all the way from New Zealand to be on board today, and you'll see that we're flying the New Zealand flag off the back of the yacht as well. So certainly representation, yes, absolutely, certainly representation of New Zealand today. Okay, we have a moment of prayer. Dear God, this is a very special day for Cynthia and Richard as they join in marriage. May this couple always have the interest and resolve to remain vibrant towards each other. May they possess the wisdom of poets and philosophers in permitting each other space for personal contemplation and continued self-growth. Let Cynthia and Richard understand that helping others is the noblest act of all. and let their home and friendship be a sanctuary for many. May this couple's love for each other and their zest for life always be in abundance. Be with Cynthia and Richard and with their family and friends here present who join in the celebration of marriage. Amen. While this certainly doesn't mark the beginning of our bridal couple's relationship, it is but another step of continuing process of change and growth in their life together. As Cynthia and Richard continue their journey together, there may be mistakes made. There may be losses sustained. There may have been a few times of conflict and tension. But as happily married couples everywhere well know, such challenges may become opportunities for discovering new strengths in a shared relationship, and successful outcomes may be won. Our bridal couple's marriage will then remain a continuing source of strength with which to meet life challenges. The dynamic flow of marital love is at the heart of every successful marriage and actually brings our bridal couple before us this afternoon. Different from romantic love, marital love is the mortar of marriage and is found in abundance with those persons willing to take the time, and happy people learn to take this time to cultivate aspects such as continued respect for each other, encouragement to each other, patience with each other, understanding, flexibility, and of course certainly a sense of humor. Partners of successful marriages understand that weaknesses must be accepted along with strengths. No one is perfect, and the best functioning marriages are those where weaknesses are balanced with strengths. One might say that successful marriage simply involves selecting the right partner, but I think you'll all agree that it also involves the commitment to remain the right partner. I now invite Cynthia and Richard to clasp hands as they prepare to take their vows of marriage. Our attendant Jennifer is going to read a poem. She's prepared a poem to be read for us.
The Wedding Prayer by Robert Louis Stevenson. Lord, behold our family here assembled. We thank you for this place in which we dwell, for the love that unites us, for the peace accorded us this day, for the hope with which we expect the morrow, for the health, the work, the food, and the bright skies that make our lives delightful, for all of our friends in all parts of the earth. Amen.
I'm also going to recite a poem by Dorothy Colgan. Dorothy Colgan wrote a poem simply entitled, My Promise of Love to You. And as I recite the poem, the words reflect our bridal couple's feelings towards each other, as I'm certain they do. That I may say you'll be coming together in their 5th anniversary, indeed their 25th anniversary. My Promise of Love to You by Dorothy Colgan. I promise to give you the best of myself and to ask of you no more than you may give. I promise to accept you the way you are. I fall in love with you for the qualities, the abilities, and the outlook on life that you have, and I won't try to reshape you in a different image. I promise to respect you as a person with your own interests, desires, and needs, and to realize that those are sometimes different, but no less important than my own. I promise to share with you my time, my close attention, and to bring joy and strength and imagination to our relationship. And best of all, I promise to keep myself open to you, to let you see through the windows of my personal world into my innermost fears and feelings, secrets and dreams. I promise to grow along with you, to be willing to face change as we both change in order to keep our relationship alive and exciting. And finally, I promise to love you in good times and in bad, with all I have to give and all I feel inside, the only way I know how, completely and forever. Wonderful words from the pen of Dorothy Colgan. Well, there's certainly nothing magical about the vows which Richard and Cynthia are about to accept each other as husband and wife. They simply capture in words what marriage is all about, a continuing commitment. And in a world where we often seem to be pulled apart rather than together, this commitment must be reaffirmed in the coming years. Richard, please repeat after me. In the presence of these witnesses, I now take you, Cynthia, as my wife, to be the constant companion of my life and fellow traveler towards individual and shared goals I give you all of my strengths, all of my tomorrows, and promise to strive to be always worthy of the love and life we share. Cynthia, please repeat after me. In the presence of these witnesses, I now take you, Richard, to be my husband, to be the constant companion of my life and fellow traveler towards individual and shared goals. I give you all of my strengths, all of my tomorrows, and promise to strive to be always worthy of the love and life we share. At this time, we'd like to ask the moms to step forward. We're going to light a unity candle. The unity candle is symbolic of the paths of the two individual families which will be united here today. I've asked the mothers to step forward, and then we'll light separate candles. And then symbolically, our bride and groom will merge those flames onto one candle, symbolizing the merging of their families and the energy from this day forward. Do we have the rings? Please hold aloft the rings. Our ring bearer Alice has the rings. These rings are symbolic today of the vows taken here today. Is circle as never ending as love should be. These rings are given to mark the beginning of a long journey together, to be filled with wonder, joy, surprise, defeats, victories, grief, and laughter. May these rings always remind their wearers years hence of their joy in being here with you, their family and friends on this their wedding day. Cynthia, please place the ring upon Richard's finger. Repeat after me. Richard, wear this ring as a token of my love and the giving that will last for the rest of our lives. Richard, please place the ring upon your bride's finger and repeat after me. Cynthia, wear this ring as a token of my love and the giving that will last for the rest of our lives. Well, ladies and gentlemen, marriage is a natural culmination of love between a man and a woman and a commitment to love and support. Since you, Cynthia, and Richard have publicly taken vows and exchanged rings to signify your commitment to each other and your intentions before this company, you are now and henceforth husband and wife. Dear God, may the love which has brought together this wonderful couple continue to grow and enrich their life together, bringing contentment and happiness to each. May Cynthia and Richard meet with courage any problems which may arise to challenge them. May their marriage be one of ever-growing depth and meaning due to the support, the understanding, and the love which they give to each other in their shared life together. Amen. You may now officially begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Richard Burges.
Ladies and gentlemen, this time, the bride groom has requested a group photo in the back of the room. We're walking forward now. This is our photographer. She will organize you into the group photo as we get underway and head towards San Francisco. I'll turn it over to her.
I love the roses. I love how they have the different Hi, Rachel. Cheers.
Okay, I would like to thank you all for coming tonight and sharing this special occasion with Cindy and Richard. I was planning to have my girlfriend Kristen do a voiceover, but hopefully you'll understand my Argentine accent, okay?
What you say?
I have known Richard for several years, and I'm very happy to see him getting married to such a great girl. I met Richard around 1998, playing tennis here in the Bay Area. We did many activities with the Lafayette Orinda Presbyterian Church, which is the biggest singles group in the San Francisco Bay Area. We had mixed results. We went to quite a few hikes, although Richard wanted to stay clear of the ones sponsored by the Sierra Club, since he claimed that those don't have many women. His words. And I guess what has drawn us together throughout some of these years at least is the fact that we're both somehow wretched bachelors in dog pursuit of the perfect woman. And then after the proverbial dry spell came Cindy. I remember him telling me about this cute girl he met while playing volleyball at the Lafayette Orinda Presbyterian Church sponsor event. Richard praised her to the skies, her charm, her sense of humor, her wit, her eagerness to go many places with him, and her cooking. Since then, Cindy and Richard have traveled to many places, hiked many trails, camped on many sites. While it's true I'm losing my bachelor body, I'm so glad he found the right one for him. And I would like also to end by welcoming Cindy's parents, John and Frida, and her sister and brother-in-law, Jen and Mike, for coming over from Connecticut and everybody else. And to Mary, Barry, and Alex for coming all the way from New Zealand. Thank you. Cindy and Richard, in the name of all of us present here, we wish you a life of happiness together. Congratulations to you, Richard, and best wishes to both of you. Cheers in the name of all of you out here, okay? Cheers, guys.
Ching ching.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations, Cindy and Richard. You guys look amazing, and we're chasing Alex around the moon. Eventually, we're going to get a hold of him and be able to say hi to him. We're really shy though.
Congratulations.
Cindy, you look great. The dress was beautiful. Today was just wonderful. You had a gorgeous, beautiful, sunny day. Richard, you picked a good day now to get married, and we're really glad we came all the way from freezing negative 10 degrees in New Hampshire to be here. Congratulations.
Look at their art.
Yeah, go ahead.
Everything was wonderful ceremony and continued good luck.
Best wishes, good luck.
Do you like to so yeah, but that is cool.
Say something.
I saw you with her earlier. She obviously loves you a lot.
Good luck, Cindy and Richard. Thanks for inviting.
Thanks for inviting. Good luck, Cindy. You made a beautiful wedding gown. It's a wonderful wedding. We're having so much fun.
I have to leave now because I have to throw up on the side of the boat. Say hello to Cindy, Richard. Don't pay attention to my black dress. I'm not at a funeral.
Just want to thank you for coming over here. I just want to say that
What do you want?
that's what you got to do. And all the special detail made everyone feel so well. What's that for you? Felt like a really big part of yours and everything. I just want to thank you for success. I think it's very
How do you feel about no pressure? It's so fun.
When am I voting for chocolate?
Say
something to Brian. Wait, elegant.
Beautiful wedding. Congratulations.
We'll come back to lunch, I promise.
You looked absolutely gorgeous. And Richard, I love your accent. I know you too well. What is amazing.
While you're planning
Oh, well, thanks for arranging such nice weather on your wedding day. That was really kind of you. Thanks a lot.
You're on camera. You have to say something.
Oh, I'll smile. What's the better about it?
trouble. Now you tell me after 55 years that I have to put up with. Give me a break.
Well, you see, you have a couple over here that's working. She's trying.
Well, I think I'll wait to go.
He's in training.
Right. People in training, I got a long haul. Another 25 years you're trying.
Well, you know, we've been married 13, but we've been together 21.
There you go. We've been married 63 years and we've been together 30. I think I got 5 years.
Hey, you know what that sounds like? And we lived in that change. Oh, yeah, you didn't do that. Right. You just didn't.
Had to be you. Just
Somebody who like to do with the dance class,
And he's be glad just to be sad. Some others I've seen might never be me. Might never be close. Try to be close, but they wouldn't do. For nobody else gives me a thrill. With all your faults, I love you still. It had to be you, wonderful you. It had to be you.
And next, Cynthia will dance with her father, Richard with his mother.
Every time it rains, families from heaven. Don't you families from heaven. You will find your fortune falling on every time. Just be sure that you're sunshine and flowers. If you want the things.
There must be more married couples in there. I can see some babies out there. Bring the babies, bring the babies.
I can't give you anything.
Okay. All married couples who have been married for less, actually, more than 1 hour, please stay on the floor. Those who have been married 1 hour or less, leave the floor, please. Bye, Cynthia. Bye, Richard. Years or less. 5 years or less, please leave the floor. Years or less, please leave the floor. 10 or less. Well, that was a wipeout.
Your mom was smart. Does that take her shoes off? It's so bad out there.
11 years and under, leave the floor. 12 years and under, leave the floor. 13. Oh, there is one. 14 years. Coming up on 15 years. Oh, there goes another one. Thanks to dust. And we're at 16 years now, 16 and counting. We're holding strong at 16. 17 years. 17. Wow. 18 years and going strong. 19 years. 20 years. 2 full decades on the floor. Look at this. I think that deserves a hand right there. Okay, now we're heading for the hardcore. 21 years and under. 22. Give him a hand. 22, that's a good number. 23 now, we're at 23. 24. Coming up on a quarter of a century. 25. Wow. 26. And 27. 28. Down to 3. We have first, second, and third already. I have no idea what the prize is, but it's going to be good. They didn't tell me that part. You got to see the groom and the bride about that. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 3 decades, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
Wow.
36, I think I may be getting into the unfashionable place, but 37, 38, 39, wow. 54 years. He's still there. 54 and you're still there. 54 and a half. 54 and 7 months.
55 and 1 month.
55 years. It's still going. Anything.
I can't give you anything but love.
Oh, there's Freda. You want to go sit down in the front? Oh, she's on the ball with the... Yeah.
Can you see? Well, I agree.
Good view of this.
Where's it going?
Hey, Mike. Put a finger on it.
She's already taken charge.
Wow, look at that.
We need a bigger piece than that.
I did my best.
With a fork?
Shove it in her face. Behave yourself.
No, we say Where's the poop deck? I need to go to the bathroom.
Nothing, yeah. Well, they give some money, but I don't know what happens.
Well, they built these mansions in Cedar. My brother did.
Alright, I'm getting summoned by Steve. It was nice meeting you. Sorry, gotta run out. We can stay in the front. Can I get a sit down? I'll grab it, sorry.
Yeah, that's true. We have to fly like 9 billion miles. Have you gone to
Yeah.
you.
we used to get farm salt, we could get farm salt pallets.
Me and Richard, we all have a good time. Thank you very much. And I hope the love lasts forever.
See you guys out on the ski slopes. Congratulations.
You guys are in, everybody all good?
They got some crazy little women, I'm gonna get me one. Well, I'm standing on the corner of 12th Street and Vine. I'm standing on the corner of 12th Street and Vine. With my Kansas City woman, my bottle of Kansas City wine. Well, I might take a plane, I might take a train, I might take a bite, I'm gonna get the same Kansas City, Kansas City record. They got some crazy little women, I'm gonna get one. Yeah, go man.
Oh, yep, I see them.
See those rocks? Those rocks are in it.
Okay.
And then it falls over the other side of the ridge, and there's quite a bit of land on the other side that you can't see.
Okay.
And the cow shed, there's a shed, or you can see two hay barns from here, and the cow shed is right on the skyline in those trees.
Oh, yeah.
You might be able to pick it up with your video.
Yep. So we're looking at David Stevens' new farm of 180 acres. It's a dairying farm, which he's going to take possession of in about a week's time. Okay, this is the Stevens residence. Here's his livestock and about 30 cows plus replacements. The shed that David built, his vehicle to get to work, young Joseph and David there.
Give it a wave.
Let me turn the backlight on, that's better. Hey Joseph. And this is the house, transportable from Murupara, plus a lot of work. And there's the swing that Joseph plays on. No, I'm still going. This is the Rotorua airport, and Cindy's just arrived from her trip to the South Island. Here's the rental car company, and I'm not sure if you can see the dent. Which I caused by parallel parking. This is the Rotorua Museum, formerly known as Tudor Towers. When I was a young lad, there was actually a nightclub in there.
Yeah, I got a new present. Look at it.
What is it?
I'll put the box in.
How many bullets are...
Okay, let it rip. Whoa, it's firing the bullets. The lights are flashing.
Do the sounder button.
Alright.
Yeah, cool.
This is Alex's birthday present from Frida and Cindy. Frida works at the Sikorsky factory where this is, came from.
Say
There's money, smile.
Alright.
We're about to go to Alex's birthday party in Burger King, Mission Bay.
Alex!
Yes, you are. Jericho, Zach, Flynn,
Hamish. Slow down. Hamish is at the end of the table, is he? Is that Hamish?
No, but it's like he's what's his name again?
Jericho, isn't it?
Yeah, Jericho. Then it's Zach. Then it's Flynn. Then it's what's his name?
Who's the one at the end?
Angel.
Angel at the end of the table. Okay.
Then there's Hamish.
Hamish, yep. Virgin. You should. You don't know? And who's this one?
Reuben.
Reuben, good.
Daniel? Oh yeah, Daniel.
Hi Daniel.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Alice. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish and you cut this first slice. Well, I'll tell you what, if I want small slices,
You're going to have that one first, do you want me to do it? Michelle, might you do it?
Hey Alex, how's the cake? Good. Do you want to tell us what that is, Alex?
It's an ear hog accelerator. Can fly higher than 100 meters.
Wow.
It can go faster than 15 k's an hour.
Wow.
And it can do tricks in the ear.
How do you make it go?
You pump it up, turn its propeller.
Where's the pump? Ah, where do you put the pump to pump it up?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I want that in have color.
Something hasn't happened. I'm going to open what Mary got.
Why don't your one have cards? It may be almost. It is. But it's a different one. A worse one. A worse one. Get some scissors and go like that.
What is it, Alex?
It's cooler, the sun. That goes better. I can't open those. Yeah, let's go together.
Here's Alex with his ear hogs plane. He's connecting the pump to the nozzle, turning it over, and he's going to give it 40 pumps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right behind him we have Virgin and Angel. So here we go. Pump, 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 pump.
Get away! Oh, that wasn't a good one. Sometimes it does. Oh. Wait, it needs more pumps. Yeah, because I got the airplane like it. No, you don't. Yeah. No, you don't. Yes. Yes. It got the
Ooh.
it shouldn't go like that.
Alex is demonstrating how you pump a balloon up.
There. Man, it's hard.
You said it was easy.
Look what I've done. Yeah, they can go. You want to pull it like that. Oh, broke your pump.
Everything. You break everything. Even your airplane.
It can go like this.
Just kidding, Alex.
Oh man. This was bought by Tula shop, so it is very bad quality.
Is it made in China too?
Yes. Everything that the Tula shop is made food in China.
Yeah, but you know, I'm amazed at the $2 shop because we could play hide and seek.